Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Node.js. Today we are going to check whether my connection is online or offline to internet connection. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. The package name that I'm using to check whether it's online or offline, that is online. So if I go and just check one, you can see that there's a documentation is online, await is online, right? So let's check play with the internet connection to detach. So first of all, we are going to check it is available or not. So connect, currently you can see that it's true. Now I'm going to disconnect my internet and check. Okay, so let me disconnect this one. So let me disconnect this cable. I think is there is, so let me disconnect it from here. So it's not a big deal. So wired, I'm going to turn off, right? The connection is not there. Okay. So if I go and just add this node index.js, you can see that it's false, right? Now I'm going to connect this one again, wired, connect. It take time. Now you can see that connected. If I go and just check, internet is there. So this is how you are able to check whether my connection is off or on. On the behalf of it, like socket, if you are implementing here, you can use that whether the connection is whether the user is connected to the internet or not. So on the behalf of it, you can add the check over here. If it is connected, then send the messages or something like this. If it is not connected, then do the rest of the stuff. Okay. So any doubt, any query in that, let me know in the comment section. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Thank you so much. Have a great day.